What makes you happy? What leads you to say, I am blessed? We tend to associate being blessed with prosperity or material riches. We link happiness with having satisfied our wants in this life. With Jesus' teachings in the Beatitudes, we're being invited to switch our understanding and embrace that true blessedness is in our living relationship with God. We may be materially poor. We may experience different kinds of hunger. We may be in deep sorrow, and that people may not like us because of our faith and belief in God. Yet, as long as we know we have God with us and our relationship with Him is constantly nurtured, we are blessed. In Him, we will find true happiness, true joy. Brothers and sisters, it is good to examine ourselves. Are we now getting more inclined to embrace and follow God's standards? Or we are still very much attached to finding our happiness with the many temporary things that the world offers us?